All right, let's see if we can get this looking good. Hello there, ladies and gentlemen. Side Hustle Survivalists here. Hey, I got a pretty good little side hustle for you today. Well, you probably see in the background is I'm kind of in a little different area. So I'm in a state park here in Oklahoma. Take a look around. Real pretty state park, and we got some RVs in this area and everything. You can see way back down there also. Real nice area. But here's the side hustle. Do you see, just looking behind me, on these RVs, do you see all those windows? Here's the side hustle. How about getting out there and being a window washer in your parks and campgrounds? Just an idea. I mean, you have those window washers all the time you see in the city that are doing stuff on the storefronts and everything like that, or doing residential places. But I have never seen one in a park or a campground. So what if you have a young person that's in your that you're camping with, a young person, and you say, hey, little Billy or little Sally, you want to go out there and get all you need is a bucket, some Windex, water, a rag, a squeegee, and maybe a step stool or a little ladder, and you're in business. And you can go about going around, and I would probably say, you know, on those RVs back there behind me, those bigger ones, and then maybe on some of those smaller ones, negotiate with them. I'd probably look at trying to do $5 a window. Hey, could I clean your windows for you? Again, this is a great area where you learn how to knock on the door. So I've had commenters that have talked about, oh, if you knock on the door at our place, you'll get shot. Well, so be it. That's not going to happen in these campgrounds because they expect people to do that around here. So maybe this is a great area that you can start out in. So that leads me into not just only RVs, but how about homes? Yes, I just told you that there's people in the city that do that and everything. But again, I tell you people over and over again, go out to your rural areas, go out into your suburbs. Though all that window washing, all those other type of side hustles that I've talked about, they're not available out there, or people are not doing them out in your small and your rural communities. And you can make a lot of money. Go up, knock on the door at your farmhouses out in the middle of the country. Hey, would you like to have your windows cleaned? Because I could tell you, they hardly ever get cleaned out in the country because it's country. So they don't worry about that type of stuff. But I bet they'd be more than willing to have their homes cleaned every now, or their windows on their houses cleaned every now and then. And again, in that type of community, in that type of setting, it's word of mouth. That's how you get business. Do a good job, show up, do what you say you're going to do, be on time, and complete the project. Just do what you say you're going to do. That's all it takes. And that's what people need now these days. But I thought this was a great little side hustle. Get in here to maybe wash a window or two on an RV. Have your kids go out there and do it. So hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for supporting this channel, and God bless.